Have you ever stared at your YouTube dashboard and you see this haunting line, monetization not enabled, like you need 4,000 watch hours? Oh my God. Now, in that moment, it feels like the 4,000 watch hour is just another word for impossible. Guys, I've been there pouring hours into editing my videos, uploading with shaky confidence, checking my analytics at midnight at every seconds I get. And still, I was stuck with under 100 hours of watch hours. I thought, like, what else do I need to do? Should I go ahead and buy ads? Or should I spam my link? But, guys, here is the truth. You don't need ads. You don't even need fake promotion. And you definitely don't need to burn out chasing numbers. All you need is strategy. You need authentic content. And today, I'm giving you the exact roadmap I used to hit that 4,000 watch hours fast without spending a dime. But before we start, go right in the comment section below and type, I will monetize this year. Okay, let's speak it, believe it, and build it together. Okay, so here are the step-by-step strategy on how to get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. Step number one, make sure to always create long bingeable content. Long bingeable content in the sense at least maximum 10 minutes video or 10 minutes plus. Okay? Now, if your videos are maybe, for instance, you are creating videos of 2 minutes to 4 minutes long, trust me, you are working against yourself. Now, get your calculators. Let's do this math together. For example, a 3 minutes video of yours, and at the end you get 50% average watch. That will give you about 1.5 minutes per view, right? Or maybe a 12 minutes video of yours, and at the end you are getting a 50%. Okay, that is going to be like, I think, 6 minutes per views. Now calculate it. For you to reach that 4,000 watch hours, you need like 240,000 watch minutes. That is 16,000 views at per 15 minutes each, or 48,000 views at per 5 minutes each. Get your calculator and do this. So you can't always control views, but you can control the length and the value of your views and your videos. Okay, so try and make your videos at least 10 to 15 minutes long, and try to feed it with real content that keep people watching. Okay, maybe think of something like, okay, what do I need to tell people now? Maybe think like, oh, how I did it, like stories. You tell people stories on how I did it, how I was able to navigate this, you understand? Or maybe you go for tutorials with, transformation, or you teach people about maybe step-by-step guides with, real life examples, all right? Or you can even teach them maybe the mistakes and lessons that you've learned so far as a young YouTuber, okay, living in Nigeria, all right? Now, another bonus you should also know is always add subtle curiosity hooks to your videos. Curiosity hooks like you tell your viewers, make sure to stick around because I will show you the trick that finally got me results after 6 months of failure. Things like that, right? Now, step number 2, you need to master retention with strong hooks and loops. If your viewers leave in the first 30 seconds of your videos, YouTube it will automatically stop pushing your videos, because they will be like, okay, since people click out of your videos at the end of 30 seconds, it means that your video is not interesting. It means that your video is not engaging. It means that your video is not worth it. And YouTube will not waste their time to start pushing your videos to people that wouldn't want to waste their time watching boring videos. Okay, so you need to make your videos not to be boring. Okay, now here is how you can be able to fix this. Okay, try and hook like your audience in the first try to hook your audience in the first 30 seconds of your videos. Do not allow anything that will make your viewers to leave at 30 seconds of videos. It is not healthy for you. So make sure to hook them in that 30 seconds. And please do not start with some of us. When we set up our cameras, we'll be like, hey guys, my name is this, I'm from this, I'm 30 years old. All those irrelevant intros. It pisses people off. Someone like me, if I come to your channel and the first thing I hear is, hey guys, my name is this, whereas I've already seen your name in your channel. Why are you telling me your name? What am I doing with your name? Telling me where you come from, this, that. All those intros doesn't matter. So, okay, now instead, start your video with drama. Yes, some of us are so dramatic. You can start the first intro of your video with drama, okay, or urgency or relatability. You understand? Like relatability, anything that is relatable, okay? So make sure to always start your videos that way. Now, another thing is maybe tell people I spent 6 months uploading videos and got only 37 watch hours until this happens. You understand? So use loops throughout all your videos. Drop any tiny cliffhangers like, but that wasn't the real problem. I will explain in a minute. So these loops give people a reason to stay longer and watch your videos. Remember that more hours, more algorithm loves. So you can't afford to bore your audience with irrelevant talks that doesn't add up to whatever value or problem that they want you to solve for them. All right. So let's dive into step number 3. Please make sure to create evergreen content that works while even you sleep. Evergreen contents are content that even in the next 2 years to come, people are still searching for that topic. Even if you are no longer creating content based on that, people are watching it. Even if maybe you took some break off social media from YouTube, that particular video of yours, people are still looking out for it. That is what we mean by evergreen content. Okay, now you want content that is searchable, helpful, and long lasting. That is evergreen content for you. Maybe example, evergreen content can include how to start a Facebook or a YouTube channel, maybe in 2025, how I got my first 4,000 watch hours without ad, beginner's guide to YouTube, SEO, even with 0 subscribers. Those topics. This topic, they don't fade. They do not fade. Even in the next 2, 3 years to 5 years, you will still see those videos pop up. All right? So that is just it. Now, these types of videos get found in search and continue working for you weeks and months later. Okay? Why even when you are sleeping, you are working or uploading new content? If you're always chasing trends, if you're the type that always chase trends, your video will die with the trend. Yes. So make sure to make videos that rank over time. All right. Now let's go to step number 4. Step number 4 is for you to build a series. Build a series, not just one-off videos. Now, when people watch one video and love it, they should immediately know what to watch next, right? You don't want viewers. You want binge watchers. So make sure to structure your content like this. Maybe episode 1, how I choose my niche as a beginner. Episode 2, how I got my first 1,000 subscribers. Episode 3, what I do differently if I start today. Then link them together in playlists with end screens and pin comments. Playlists are underrated gold mines. If you don't know, you better know it now. So when people click play, your watch hours multiply fast. That is just it. Now, step number 4, please repurpose your top content into new angles. You don't always need new ideas. You need smart ideas. Check your YouTube analytics and go to top performing videos. Take your best one and recreate it. Maybe a part 2 or a reaction or response to comments, a deep dive into one specific point you briefly touched on. Okay, now this makes your content familiar and easy to digest and keep your audience looping back. Now, step number 6, engage your viewers like family, not followers. Don't see your viewers as your followers. See them as your families. The algorithm follows the audience and the audience follows emotion. Okay, heartfelt moments, comment communities, from community to reward, share, click again, subscribe. These are what your audience are for. So don't just teach, talk. Say things like, maybe I know how it feels to be stalked at maybe 3 watch hours and feel like quitting. I reply to every comment because I know how hard this journey is and I want to grow with you. Okay, make it personal, make it human, because when people feel seen, they stay longer and come back. Now, these are the bonus tips for you to push the needle further, okay? Make sure to always upload twice a week. If possible, more content, more watch, potential. Use attention grabbing thumbnails. Your video can't get watch time if no one clicks it. And that your thumbnail is the roadmap, all right? Then, please always optimize your titles for search. Think of how to beginner, fast without any ads, those type of content. Okay, so now if you've made it this far, let me say this, guys, you are closer to your 4,000 watch hours than you ever think. The gap isn't your talents, it's your strategy, and today you've got the roadmap. You don't need ads, you don't need shortcut. You need clarity, consistency, and content with purpose. So here is what you have to do next. Make sure to subscribe to this video, okay? Because I'm not just showing you how to get watch hours. I'm showing you how to build a channel that grow with or without the algorithm, okay? Go to the comment section. Comment 4K is mine this year. Let's claim it with faith. Let the universe hear you. All right. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends who is grinding like you, because no one blows alone. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys.